Supreme Court today gave its judgment over a formal mediation in the Ayodhya case in what could be termed as a blueprint to solve the 60-year-old dispute of Ram Janmabhoomi-Babri Masjid. A 5-judge bench led by Chief Justice Ram Janmabhoomi-Babri stated the case was not about the property but about mind, heart and healing if possible. While the Supreme Court is favouring the mediation in the case, most parties involved do not approve of the idea. Now, during the last hearing on Wednesday, most of the Hindu petitioners, the Uttar Pradesh government and the representative of Ram Lalla, the deity infant Lord Ram, had shown disinclination towards mediation. The Sunni Waqf Board, ready to give a shot at mediation, is concerned about privacy during negotiations. The Nirmohi Akhara, another petitioner in the case, has too conceded for mediation. The Constitution Bench, which heads the case, stated that mediation may help in healing relations. Even if there is 1% chance of resolving the dispute harmoniously, the parties should go for mediation, the bench had said. It was 2 years ago the court had suggested that the two sides look at the possibility of resolving the matter through negotiation. The court had even said that it was ready to mediate if they agreed. But negotiations did not take off as all sides involved said they wanted the court to call the shots in the case. The Supreme Court has ordered the formation of a 3-member mediation committee for the Ayodhya case. The 3 mediators will be senior lawyer Shri Ram Panchu, Justice FMI Kalifulla and Shri Ravi Shankar. The chairperson of the committee will be Justice FMI Kalifulla. All the mediation proceedings will be in camera. Now, spiritual guru Shri Ravi Shankar was appointed to be a part of the committee for the Ayodhya case. He is currently in Uttarakhand's Haldwani for some program and will return to Delhi at 5 p.m. Shri Ravi Shankar had yesterday tweeted over the Supreme Court decision saying the move towards mediation is in the best interest of the country. He also said, "We should keep our egos and differences aside and come together with a spirit of honoring and accommodating the sentiments of the communities concerned." The Supreme Court has directed the mediation proceedings to be completed within 8 weeks. Also, the status of the report of the mediation committee will have to be completed in 4 weeks. Faizabad will be where the mediation committee will meet. The Uttar Pradesh government will make all the arrangements for the mediation committee. Moreover, the top court has also stated that the mediation proceedings will remain confidential. Now, let's take a look at mediation committee member and senior advocate Shri Ram Panchu's profiling. Shri Ram Panchu is a senior advocate and mediator. He is a founder of the mediation chambers, which offers services in mediation. He is the president of the Association of Indian Mediators and a director on the board of the International Mediation Institute. He set up India's first court-annexed mediation center in the year 2005 and played a pivotal role in making mediation a part of India's legal system. Mr. Panchu has mediated a large number of complex and high-value disputes across a range of commercial, corporate and contractual disputes in different parts of India. These comprise of construction and property development, insolvency and winding up, property disputes, family business conflict, intellectual property and information technology disputes, so on and so forth. He has also mediated international commercial disputes. He is a certified mediator on the panel of the Singapore International Mediation Center. He was appointed by the Supreme Court to mediate a 500 square kilometer dispute between the states of Assam and Nagaland and another public dispute that involved the Parsi community in Mumbai. He also combines mediation and arbitration and has developed groundbreaking methods that are user-friendly and ensure finality of results with the best possible solutions. He has also written 2 books on mediation. One is Settle for More, introduced mediation to the Indian audience, and another one is Mediation Practice and Law, which is a standard manual in India. He has written the Indian chapter of Getting the Deal Through. The Supreme Court of India has referred to him as a distinguished mediator, eminent trainer, and one of the foremost mediators in the country. about Justice FMI Kalifulla, who will be the chairperson of the mediation committee for the Ayodhya case. He's a retired Supreme Court judge. He was elevated as a judge of the Supreme Court of India on April 2, 2012. His tenure lasted around 4 years or 1,572 days before his retirement on 22nd July in the year 2016. He was an active labour law practitioner as partner of the lawyers firm called Messrs. T.S. Gopalan and Company and appeared for various public and private sector undertakings, nationalised and scheduled banks. He was a standing counsel for the Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. On 2nd March 2000, he was appointed as permanent judge of the Madras High Court. He was transferred to the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and he assumed charge of the office on 24th February 2011. He was appointed as the acting Chief Justice of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir on 7th April 2011. He took oath as Chief Justice of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir on 18 September 2011. For more news updates, log on to www.swnews.in.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.